So guys, this is GBPUSD, by the way. So I mean, our prediction, what that we actually, the analysis we did today, that we said that okay, our GBP will actually be falling. Guess what? We actually had that bearish move today. We can see it. GBP actually went bearish for today. I think on the 20th, we actually had about 50 pips bearish move on our GBP USD. So basically, we would want to do analysis for the 21, which is the next day. Let's try and see where the GBP USD will be moving. So in order to get that, we would actually roll up to the weekly time frame, which I love analyzing it from the top downward, which means from the weekly time frame down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we can see it on this our weekly time frame. The move we can see here is actually a bearish move, right? That is one. We can see that this price is now below the 10 period moving average. So basically, once price is below 10 period moving average, we have only one move to make, which is to actually short this, right? So GBP USD, we are bearish, and we should actually look for a way to short it. Now see it this again. The reason why we'll be going bearish is that this look at this level where price has actually been rejecting. Anytime price comes to this level, we tend to see it push up, right? We see it again happen at this level. But one thing that has just happened is that this our GBP USD has now broken below this level, which means we would continue to go bearish, coupled with the fact that our USD index, this is the USD index, by the way. Let's see it from the weekly time frame. We are on a bullish move, right? See it. USD index, we are going bullish. See it on the daily time frame, right? We are actually going bullish. So basically, if this USD index is going bullish, which means the USD will be going bullish, then our GBP will actually continue to go bearish, which means we will continue to see a drop, right? So weekly time frame, we have to go bearish, which means we should actually look for a way to short this. Now down to the daily time frame to actually place this trade, right? Let's see the analysis from here, from this top. Now what we can see here is that price has rejected this level multiple times. We saw it here. It actually had a pullback at this level, then a drop was made, then we saw it rally up again to test this level, kind of serving like a double top around this area here. So basically, at this level, we are now having like three tap to this level. Now this GBP has now dropped. Guess what? It actually came to this level we were all talking about, and after it came to the level, guess what? We had a pullback on this GBP USD. So we actually had a pullback on this GBP USD. Guess what again? After the pullback, another drop. Basically, if you look at this drop we just had, this drop has broken below the previous lower lows. See it now. This is the previous lower lows. GBP USD has broken below it, which means we are to now go bearish on this GBP USD. Exactly why on the 20 we actually closed bearish. On the 21 we are trying to do this analysis for, we very much believe we would close bearish. Now let's see it. To enter this trade, we would actually run down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is the time frame I usually enter the trade. So now see it this way. It actually broke below this level, which is once our support level. If you have to zoom it out, you see that we highlighted this level on the weekly time frame standpoint. But see it here on this 4 hour time frame. Price has actually broke below it. We saw it come to test this level. We saw it broke again. We saw it come down to this level. We saw it rose up again to that level, kind of like a resistance move. And now we've had another drop. So this GBP USD, right? We are going to analyze it on this 4 hour time frame as kind of like a ranging market move. So basically, once this price come to this top here, we tend to see it actually rise up to the bottom, which is the lows. Now see it this way for better understanding. Anytime price comes to this level, right, we will take it as our support on the 4 hour time frame. We will take this below as a support level. We will take this top as a resistance level. So once price comes to the support level, we see it rise up to the resistance level, then again down to the support level, now again to the resistance level. As of recent now, this price is now on the support level. Guess what we are expecting again? A bullish move again to this resistance level. That is how we will be trading on the 4-hour time frame until this 4-hour time frame actually break below the support level. So this 4-hour time frame we are ranging until this price breaks below the support level, then we will now continue to go bearish. If not, we're very much likely to continue to range again for the next day on this 4-hour time frame. We're very much likely to see that ranging move on the 4-hour time frame. So watch out for it. GBPUSD will very much be ranging except price breaks below the support area for the 4-hour time frame. Then we'll continue to drop on this GBP USD.